Before I say that, I want to say thank you to the government of Aruba, especially Premier Amon, and the committee who organized this wonderful conference. We are so happy to be here. While the issues were important issues to deal with and to conclude with, we cannot give this interview and not say thank you to the warm hospitality and welcome that we received from the government. The first impression is that while all the member states have a few of their issues, but having the focus on making sure that we have a joint conclusion, joint resolution, and a support of each other to go forward, that for me was very important. All of us have the same challenges, starting with the fact that we are islands and divided by great oceans. The challenges, for example, of climate change, connectivity, making sure that our people are aware of biodiversity and what that means, what that could mean for our people. Those challenges bind us, and it also, not forces, but it also pushes us to make sure that we continue communicating with each other and making sure that we share best practices, because each island, while we have our challenges, we also have our own expertise, and that expertise it's good to share with each other. Well, the stake for sure is to make sure that we don't only have a joint declaration, but that the declaration means something, that it has an impact going forward, that we give accountability to what we are doing on behalf of our citizens, and making sure that the benchmarks that we have set out to discuss and to produce, that those benchmarks are given accounts to the people, but also to the EU, who are funding these projects that we're discussing at this forum.